Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with n8n Cloud for AI data pipelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Type in the URL for n8n Cloud. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button on the home page. Click the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password section. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy provided. Check the box to accept the terms and policies. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from n8n Cloud. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the n8n Cloud login page. Enter the email and password you just registered with. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your n8n dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Next, explore the option to create a new workflow. Click the New Workflow button to start building your data pipeline. You can now integrate various AI services and data sources. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your tools and configure your pipeline. Finally, save your workflow and test it to ensure everything works smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.